In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and disconnect your Telegram account on Binance. First, log into Binance, open the account menu, go to Security, scroll down, and find Account Connections. Click on Manage, and then select Connect with Telegram. Here are the important notes. Your Telegram account will not be used for Binance account login. Each Telegram account can only be linked to one Binance account at a time. A Telegram account can only be linked to a Binance account 30 days after unbinding. Your Binance account can only be linked to a Telegram account once every 30 days. To sum up, the key takeaway is that you can only link your Telegram account once every 30 days. You cannot connect and disconnect it as often as you want. Now press Connect, follow the necessary steps to link your Telegram account. Accept, and then nothing happens. Close this window and click Connect with Telegram again. You'll need to pass a security verification. Now you can see my Telegram account is connected to Binance. Next, I want to disconnect my Telegram from Binance. If you want to do this from your smartphone, I have bad news. It's currently impossible to do. You can only disconnect your Telegram from the web version of Binance. Let's proceed. I'm clicking on Disconnect, and the warning message repeats the previous information. If I unbind my account now, I'll only be able to reconnect it after 30 days. Press Unbind, pass the security verification, and my Telegram account is now disconnected. Let's try to connect it one more time. Click Connect, pass the security checks, and Telegram binding failed. Binance states that your account was previously connected to a Telegram account, and it can only be reconnected in 1 month. So, they do checks for frequent account bindings, and you won't be able to bypass the 30-day limit. Subscribe if this information was useful. Thanks for watching.